and this car is going for 12.7 million naira and is slightly negotiable. And this car is going for as low as 14 million naira and is slightly negotiable. The prices of these cars are very affordable and negotiable, and it's going for 14.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Go to the comment section now and tell me the type and price of car you're looking for, and I'll make a video about it just for you. And this car is going for 16 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Wait, don't make payment for any of these cars until you have done your physical inspections and test drive. Today we are here at Blessed Autos to check out the prices of affordable foreign used cars for you to buy.
My name is Ruth. Welcome to Blessed Automobile.
What will you advise people to watch out for when buying a foreign used car and a Nigerian fairly used car?
I will advise people to watch out for the
Like and share this video, follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.
underneath, because sometimes the underneath might be rust, and when you buy it becomes a problem, and also the catalyst.
So watch this video till the end, make a choice and call the phone number inside this video to contact the dealer for inquiries and negotiation. This is a foreign used Toyota Highlander 2011 model, all-wheel drive. This car is very clean, buy and drive. Look at the interior of this car, very clean, leather seat. It has a JBL speaker by the door. The buttons are working perfectly well. 3 headrests. And this car also have a third row seat with 2 headrests. Sealed roof. All-wheel drive. It has a reverse camera. And this car is going for 24 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Name 3 cars you will advise people to buy today and why.
First thing, I will advise people to buy Toyota products, Lexus and Hyundai, because they are full economical.
This is a foreign used Toyota Venza 2012 model, extra luxury edition. This is the beautiful interior of this car. Very clean leather interior. Everything working perfectly well. 3 headrests at the back. So clean and neat. Sealed roof. 2012 model, extra luxury edition. It also has a reverse camera, and this car is going for just 19 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Hurry now and pick this beautiful white baby. Name 1 car you will not advise anyone to buy today and why.
For me, I don't think there's any car I would advise anyone not to buy. Depends on choices.
This is a foreign used Toyota Camry 2015 model, extra luxury edition. This is a very unique version of this kind. This is the beautiful interior of this car. A very black leather seat. The buttons are in good conditions, working perfectly well. 3 headrests at the back. Also have an open roof. The 2015 model, it is XLE and it has a reverse camera, and this car is going for 19.5 million naira and it is slightly negotiable. Hurry now and pick this car. Do you swap cars?
No, we don't.
This is a foreign used Toyota Corolla 2015 model F Sport. This is the beautiful interior of this car. It has a fabric mixed with leather seat interior. The control buttons are working perfectly well. 3 headrests at the back. This car is just buy and drive. This is the review of this foreign used Toyota Corolla 2015 model F Sport, and this car has a reverse camera and is going for 17.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Where do you get your cars from?
Get our car from UK, Germany, Europe, US.
This is a foreign used Toyota Camry 2014 model Sport Edition. This car is super clean. I mean, when I talk about cleanliness, this car is one of it. This is the clean interior. The fabric mixed with leather interior. Very clean dashboard. See the control buttons, they are working very well. This car is thumb start. Take a look, it has 3 headrests at the back. And this car is open roof. Toyota Camry 2014 model. This is Sport Edition. It has a reverse camera, and this car is a very clean and unique car. It's a very special of its kind. You need to get this car. This car is going for just 16.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Do you rent cars?
No, we don't.
This is a foreign used Toyota Camry 2014 model extra luxury edition. This is very unique and clean. This is the interior, so clean. Very clean dashboard, buttons working perfectly well. 3 headrests at the back, so clean and neat. Open roof. Toyota Camry extra luxury edition. It has a reverse camera, and this car is going for as low as 16.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Are the prices of your cars negotiable?
Definitely.
This is a foreign used Toyota Camry 2014 model extra luxury edition. This car has a very beautiful and strong engine. This is the beautiful interior of this car. So clean and neat. Everything working perfectly well. This car is buy and drive. An open roof. Toyota Camry. It has a reverse camera and is extra luxury edition. And this car is going for 16 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Do you accept instrumental payments?
Yes, we do, but the duration is 1 month.
This is a foreign used Toyota RAV4 2009 model, all-wheel drive, and is tireless. This is the beautiful interior of this car. A very clean leather seat. All the buttons are working very well. So neat, nothing to fix. It also have open roof. Toyota RAV4 2009 model. It is 4-wheel drive, and this car has a reverse camera and is going for 14.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. What's the price of the cheapest car you have here in your dealership?
9 million naira.
This is a foreign used Toyota Corolla 2013 model. This car is an accident-free car, and it has a very beautiful fabric seat interior. So this is the beautiful interior of this car. A very clean fabric seat. All the control buttons are working very well. 3 headrests at the back. And it has a sealed roof. Toyota Corolla. It has a reverse camera. And this car is going for as low as 14 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Why are the prices of foreign used cars and Nigerian fairly used cars going up these days?
The reason is because the custom duty is on the high side, and even the Nigerian used car is not any cheaper. Because as a car owner, I would want to sell my used car at a rate that even if I'm to add money, it should be enough for me to purchase a foreign used car. But I don't deal on Nigerian used cars.
This is a foreign used Toyota Camry 2011 model. This is luxury edition. This is the beautiful interior of this car. So clean. The buttons are working perfectly well. 3 headrests. Sealed roof. Toyota Camry. This is luxury edition, and this car is going for 12.7 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Do you do car delivery service to your
Yeah,
buyers?
we deliver nationwide.
Are your cars stolen cars?
No.
Please ensure that everything is working perfectly well before you make any payments. For more interesting videos like this, like and share this video. Follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.
My name is Ruth. Welcome to Blessed Automobile. And if you need any of this car, you can call me with 090-6400-7408. I repeat, 090-6400-7408. That's my WhatsApp number, and my address is located at Apapa My 2 Express, Lagos, Nigeria.